friends, welcome to Hunt Electronics, and this is your friend Shakib. And in today's technical session we are going to build a 4x4 LED cube over here. So what new in this 4x4 LED cube? So I have divided this session in two parts. One is the hardware, which I am going to teach you how to build this 4x4 cube hardware over there, and second part of this video will be dedicated for a software. So there are many of my friends which are not a professional programmer or a coder over here. So you must be thinking how to program this LED cube or how to generate these animations over here. So for that I've got one software. In that software you can, anyone which is a non-technical person also, he can generate this animation and he can code this LED cube, and that software I will be giving you people all the free of cost. You can download it and you can just create your own animations and LED cube. So that will be the software part I'm going to teach you in part 2 of this video. So at the part 1 today itself we are going to just see how to create this hardware part, how to build this LED cube over there, and in the second part I will be teaching you how to code it. Okay, you don't have to make a program or code for this. Everything will be ready-madely provided through the software. You have to just click it, copy it, paste it, and you have to upload it. Okay, it is that easy. So any one who is a non-technical person also can program, and they can build their own LED cube with lots of different animations. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start with a hardware cube. So let us first see what are the materials or devices, a controller which we required. The most important, we required the Arduino Uno. So this time we are going to build a 4x4 LED cube with the help of a Arduino Uno. So you required one Arduino Uno board. Second, you require the USB programming data cable. Then, as it is 4x4x4 LED cube, so 4 into 4 into 4, total we required 64 diffuse LED. You can choose any color in that. You like red, green, blue, yellow. Then you required one general purpose board on which we are going to fix our LED cube. Then you require some connecting copper wires. Okay. Then you required one small nose plier to bend the LED strips, and then you required a stripper or cutter. Okay, so these are the instruments which you require to build a 4x4 LED cube. Let us start with building a cube. So here we got a LED. Okay, so you can see one terminal of the LED. So you can see, my dear friends, one terminal of the LED is bigger and another is a shorter over here. Okay, one is a long and another is a shorter. So the long terminal, it is a positive and the shorter is the negative. So another, it is called as one long terminal is anode and another is a cathode. So the most important thing, the cube which we are going to build, it is a common anode type. Okay, common anode. So let us start building over here. Now slowly I'm going to start building here. So we required the 4x4. So this is the platform here. So this is the platform where we are going to build a LED cube over here. Okay, this is 4x4. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 4x4 over here. Start placing the LED over here. So this is the first one. So I have taken the positive terminal outside and negative at the inside. So LED 1 2. My dear friends, at the left hand side we have got all the positive terminal and the right hand side we have got all the negative terminal. So as this is a common anode, the cathode terminal is supposed to be fold like this. Whichever the legs you have folded, you have to start soldering it with the help of soldering gun. I've completed the first layer. Like this, we have to create 4 layers over here. That is why it's called as a 4 by 4 by LED. So now you can see that we have finished with all the 4 layers. So this is the layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and this is your layer 4. Okay, so as we have finished with all the 4 layers, we have to cross verify whether our connections are done properly. There should not be any dry solder. Okay, so you can take your multimeter. If you have got a multimeter, put it on the continuity sector. You should hear a beep sound like this, as this is a common anode. Okay, so you can take a negative probe of here. This should be, so like this you have to cross verify whether each and every LED is glowing, turning on or not. So like this you have to check all the layers. Okay, so all my dear friends, once you have finished with all the testing of all the LEDs, whether they are turning on or not, so once you are confirmed, now you have to just turn, you have to fold this for the 30 degree. You have to fold this like this for 30 degree. Okay, angle. Each and every lid you should fold for a 30 degree like this, slowly. Okay, so you have to fold like this at the angle of 30 degree. Okay, you can see here I folded all the leads to the 30 degree of angle over like this. So we'll take another in the same direction. Again you have to fold it to the 30 degree. So you can see this, again I folded it the similar way. You can see I folded all. So like this you have to fold all the 4 layer leads to the 30 degree of angle. Okay, so once you have done it, now once you are done with this, now we have to connect each and every layer with each other. So to keep it here, and you have to take a proper distance, and then you have to start soldering. So now once we have done with all the stuff, now we have to start connecting all the layers one after another. Okay, so take this like this, and okay, first try to connect all the 4 corner LEDs. Okay, you can see here I've connected both the layers together. I can keep it. So my dear friends, you can see that I have connected both the layers together. Okay, can make some adjustment over here. You can see there should not be any dry solder. Okay, now we are going to connect next layer to it. Okay, we'll take for one more layer. Friends, you can see that we have connected all the 3 layers. Let us start with the last layer. Dear friends, you can see that we have connected all the 4 layers. We are supposed to fit all the 4 layers on the PCB board which we have. Dear friends, we have to connect all the cube on this PCB board over here. So let's start connecting it. So my dear friends, you can see that I have connected all the cube on the PCB base over here. Okay, now we have to attach some connector. Okay, so with the help of that connector we are going to interface our LED cube with Arduino board. So my dear friends, as this is 4x4 cube, okay, there are total the 16 pin which we are going to connect to the Arduino. Okay, so and all the 16 pin are going to get connected to each LED at the base, that is common anode. This 16 pin should be connected over here. 1 2 3 4, starting from here 1 2 3 4, so then next 4. Okay, now along with this 16 pin we required 4 transistors which will be acting as a driving. So here the transistor is going to act like a switch. Okay, so I hope you people have taken the screenshot of the circuit diagram which I have displayed at the starting of the video. It is very important. If not, you can go back and you can take a screenshot of it, so you'll come to know about it. Okay, so the next point, we have to connect all the transistors. For the circuit diagram, the emitter should be the common and it should be grounded. So this is collector. If you hold the transistor like this, so the first here pin, it is a collector, the center pin is a base, and then emitter. So here all the emitter terminals I have short together, which is supposed to be grounded. So as per the circuit diagram, all the emitter terminal is supposed to be grounded. Okay, now we are supposed to connect resistor, that is a current control resistor over here. So we have got 400 ohm resistor. Connect the 4 pin connector over here, that is going to be connected to the 4 layer of it. So all my dear friends, you can see that we have made all the connection. Now these all the 4 transistors will connection will go to all the layer 1 2 3 and 4, and all these 16 pin connections are going to be connected here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So let us start connecting. Now friend, as we have finished with all the cube work, now let us connect all the anode terminals to the connector, and through the connector we are going to interface to the Arduino board. Okay friends, now you can see we have even connected the 3rd row. Now the last row is remaining. So all my friends, you can see that all the 16 anode terminals which I have connected to the connectors over here. So all the vertical, that is anode, I have connected over here. Through here we are going to connect to the Arduino board. Okay, now all the horizontal layers, so there are 4 horizontal layers are there, 1 2 3 and 4. All these 4 horizontal layers are supposed to be connected to this transistors one by one. So layer 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is layer 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all these 4 layers are going to controlled by this transistor. So let us start connecting to the transistor. You can see this, the first transistor I've connected to the first layer, now second transistor to the second layer, and third to third, and fourth to fourth, and so on. So we have to connect this. So all my dear friends, you can see that we have connected all the layers 1, 2, 3 and 4 layers to this 4 transistor. Now I will be showing you. I hope once again I will remind you, I hope you have taken the screenshot of the circuit diagram which I have shown you at the start of the video. Okay, if not, please go back, rewind the video and you can take a screenshot of it. Okay, so you'll get a knowledge how I'm going to connect it to the Arduino Uno. So as we have completed with all the hardware stuff, let us start interfacing the LED cube with the Arduino board over here. So we can see here it is 1 to 16, which I have already discussed, and this is 1 to 4 pin over here. So let us start connecting one by one. So my friends, we have connected all the 16 IOs with all the 4 transistor, and one more pin that we required is the ground pin. Okay, so here we have got a ground. So this would be the ground pin. So let us upload some basic program and let us test our cube. So my dear friend, let us start with the programming as you can see on the screen over here. So if you are a hobbyistic and if you are not good with the programming, don't worry friend. As I told you, I will be giving you a free software where you can create your own animation and you can upload and program it. You don't have to write a single code. Okay, and that software will be the free of cost from my side. Okay, so looking towards the screen, you can see here you have got file, edit and sketch and tool over here. So in the tool, first you have to go and you have to select the Arduino Uno board which we have. So there are many Arduino boards are there. So out of that we are selecting Arduino Uno. Second, again going to the tool, select the port. Okay, COM port, COM3, whichever, once you get connected with it. Okay, whichever it is. So once you connect your Arduino board to your laptop or computer, desktop, whatever it is, it will show you. See, it is indicating over here COM3. Okay, so already the code is written over here. The same code I will be providing you for the testing purpose, and there is one animation software which I am going to provide you. With the help of that, anyone in the world who may be the technical person or non-technical person, they can build their own LED cube and they can create their own animations in the LED cube. Okay, so let us check this. First we have to go sketch and compile, that is compile and verify. I hope there are no errors. Yeah, there is no errors over here. You can see here the sketch is using a 5% of a program storage. Still you have got 3, 2, 2, 5, 6 byte of memory. So a lot of big memory over here. And here this arrow indicates it is uploading. So let us upload it. And now we can see the output over here in the screen. So it started, see. So we have uploaded all the program in this, you can see here. So like this, my dear friends, you can create your own animation and you can upload, you can make a reels out of it, and you can just simply enjoy it. Okay, so my dear friend, for more technical video like this, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. And along with this, I will be giving you some ready-made animations which I have created on my side. You can just download it and upload it in the Arduino board, and you can just enjoy the animation. You can share with your friends, your family members. You can show it. You can use this for a decoration purpose during the festival time. So thank you for watching my video.